Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. As we developed Rataway, we found that Rataway works on many things, including not just rats. How about woodpeckers? We had a site up here in Ojai, California, and the woodpecker was jumping on the veranda and puncturing holes in it through the roof. We sprayed it every day and ran the woodpecker off. Also, it works on puppies, dogs, cats, horses, raccoons. We have found several things that will work on them. So give it a try and it'll save you a lot of money. Thank you.